Run the game bots. Register or log into your account. Click Edit Mario Kart Tour Bot. You need to grant accessibility permission to run game bots. Click Allow. Run Mario Kart Tour. Click Game Bots to know the main function, and you can know more information in the About before running it. Make sure you turn on Smart Steering and Auto Item, and make sure you finish the first cup. Choose the cup you want, then click Run. All subsequent actions are performed by the bot itself, without any clicks from the player. After completing the cup race, the bot will automatically participate in the cup again without any action from the player.